Hi everyone, it's Mike here. So don't forget to click that subscribe and bell icon to receive a notification each time I upload a new video. It's Thursday morning, just approaching 10 AM. So yesterday I did Mum and Dad's grocery shop for them, and now today it's our turn to go do our grocery shop. And as per instructions, we have prepared a shopping list, because that's what they tell you to do. Prepare your shopping list, go to the supermarket, get what's on your shopping list, and then come out again, rather than just go to the supermarket and dawdle and take up time in the supermarket. So just get out there as quick as you get, in and out as soon as you can. So that's what I'm doing. And also some of the comments from the vlog, from last night's vlog, where people have said, you know, that I really should be wearing a mask when I go out. Well, all sorted. So that's it, shopping's all done, like a well-oiled machine. Looks like we're having a delivery at the house. Has decided that it's all too much for him. He's taken to his bed. Look at you all tucked in. Just too cute for words.
We've been catching up on Star Wars.
I think you're a little
Actually, no, it should be.
What?
Use the fork, Luke! Use the fork!
You've really taken to that Mandalorian series, haven't you?
I love it. I love it.
You actually love Baby Yoda more than you love the programme, don't you?
I want a baby. Oh dear. I want a Baby Yoda for Christmas.
For Christmas, it's your birthday first.
I don't have birthdays.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cutting some cheese.
I'm just massacring some cheese.
I say cutting cheese.
Oh, hang on.
Oh!
Bentley has an inbuilt cheese detector. When you open the fridge, a little red light goes on in his puppy cave. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Give me 5.
Hey!
There you go, baby. Good boy.
Because Mr. Bentley is the cheese monster.
He is.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's Sunday morning. Just gone 11 AM, and I've just been to the supermarket, one of the big supermarkets, to stock up on Mr. Bentley food, bread, chicken breast, the kind of normal, essentially bits that you have to make a meal, potatoes, vegetables, etc, etc. So, and I've not done a bigger shop than I normally do. I haven't bought multiple items. I haven't bought bigger, bulkier, like economy sized items. I've just bought the normal amount that I would normally buy. And it's cost me about 40% more than what it normally does. So normally that amount of shopping would cost me about £30. I've just paid 51, which is shocking. The prices going up that much. Their supply chains aren't that much more expensive. Fuel is a lot cheaper, there's no need for prices to go up. Yet the supermarkets who claim to be doing their bit are just raking it in and profiteering. I've just seen a box of dog food pouches which normally cost £9. Regardless of where you go in the supermarkets, from one chain to another, they're normally around £9. £11 in there. Shocking, absolute shocking, the increase. It's disgusting. Dolly Gardner.
What?
Dolly Gardner.
You can write off, you can.
Not working?
No. Twisty scissors.
Coming out the way, you. Come on. Coming up. 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 Don't eat grass. Ugh, honestly. It's Monday morning, just gone 10:30, and Ian's decided to go into the post office for me this morning. But he has a few parcels of his own to send out, so he's doing both the post for me and for himself. And then from here we're nipping over to see Mum and Dad, just to take a few groceries and a few provisions, because we're kind of going that direction anyway. So that's the plan for this morning. Is it hell?
Not too bad. It doesn't help when people go to the post office and then go into the cafe next door to get a bun.
So they're crossing over.
Crossing over, so the amount you see, not the amount of people in the post office.
Ah. I thought you were in the picture then. Say hello.
Hello. Right.
Don't really mind being locked up in your house when the weather's like this. It really does kind of make it a little bit easier. Look at him. Are you too warm now, kid? So late last year sometime, Ian and I went for a short break for a long weekend up to the Lake District, up to Lake Windermere. And as we were driving around, we discovered a fantastic garden centre and nursery. While we were in there, I bought a couple of bags of daffodils and tulips, which I planted in February time this year, and they've all just flowered beautifully, so I thought I'd show you what they look like. Look at the beautiful colour on those tulips. And of course the daffs. So of course the advantage of being at home and being on lockdown is that you get to spend more time in the garden and more time, for us anyway, to be able to plan and get plants in, because we've got a blank slate here since we moved in last June. So we've got the time now to be able to actually develop and actually get stuff in the garden to make it look beautiful. The only drawback with that, of course, is that everywhere's shut. All the garden centres are closed. Even trying to buy stuff online, either from eBay or off websites, most of the nurseries are all closed and they're not shipping. So
digging mother's plants up.
yes, so we've had to go over to Mum's and dig out some plants in her garden that she doesn't want, just to fill out our little patch. It's a double-edged sword, really.
Where's Daddy? There he is.
Hello, monkey. You brought me Teddy. Have you brought me Teddy? Ready? So it's just gone 8:30 at night on Tuesday, the 7th of April.
Yes. Hello.
Your video on your YouTube channel and on my YouTube channel, where you did the flick through of your two journals, went live at 7 p.m.
7 o'clock.
Yes.
Yes.
So would you like to tell everybody the news?
I've sold both the journals, thank you very much.
Both of them?
Both of them. The claret one and the chocolate brown one.
So one of them's going across to New York.
The claret one is going across the pond, and the chocolate one is going to a very lovely lady. I won't mention her because in case it may be a present or she doesn't want people to know she's got it, but I adore you and she knows who she is. But if anybody wants one, I will make you one specially. Just get in touch through the website and you can have one made just for you.
So all I want to say is
thank you so much.
And also very, very well done, Ian.
Thank you. I'm like the cats that got the cheese.
Cream?
Cream, is it?
As well as the cheese.
Oh, I'm going to the chocolate shop. I don't care. Bye!
I'd like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, because without you, these videos would not be possible. Thank you.